So you want to make your car look amazing without spending thousands of dollars? Well, today I'll show you 9 of the best cheap exterior mods that will make your ride stand out and are totally worth the money. So make sure to stick around because I have 3 bonus mods that are also a must-have. I will link one of the best deals on Amazon down in the description, so make sure to check them out. Without further ado, let's get started. So first up, we got window tints. Window tints instantly make your car look premium. They also give you privacy and block heat and UV radiations. And I'll recommend from 75 to 20%. If you go below that, you will get pulled by the cops, and if you have no tint, make sure to get at least 75. Just check your local laws before going too dark. A shark fin rear window diffuser. It adds a sporty aerodynamic style to the back of your car. It looks so much more aggressive. It helps the car to push the front air to the rear of the car. The best part is it's cheap and easy to install with an adhesive tape. Number 3, we got the rim covers. These are exceptionally cheap, and especially if you're driving an older car, I would recommend you getting them. But before you put these things on, I will recommend blacking out your steel wheels. I will link the video of Chris Fix down in the description. So he will gonna show you how to do this shit. If you're still confused, just see the before and after pictures. If you have done any of these mods, make sure to drop a comment so other people can get help too. At number 4, we got blind spot mirrors. Not only are blind spot mirrors cheap, they also improve the safety. Stick them on your side mirrors and you will never miss a car hiding in your blind spot again. You'll see those motherfuckers who try to overtake you but don't have enough power to do that. So sometimes we want our race car wet, right? Well, there's a cheap way to do it. Stick some tire stickers or buy some tire paint. They can instantly make your wheels stand out. It's a really small detail, but it really pops the look of your car as compared to the normal NPC ones. So at number 6, we got blackout chrome emblems. These are one of the coolest mods that you can do to your car. If your car is not black, you can do this mod any time of the day. Replacing or wrapping your chrome emblems in black gives your car a stealthy modern look. It's a small mod, but it makes the car look way more premium than it actually is. But make sure your car is not black. So at number 7, we got LED headlights and taillights. These are one of the best budget mods that you can do to your car in 2025. They look modern, they shine brighter than and improve visibility at night. When you drive at night, the last thing you want is to watch the road clearly and to see what the fuck is going on the road. So if you're still rocking halogen bulbs in 2025, you need to change this right away. By the way, if you're still watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe because we upload car content every Saturday and short form every day. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the next mod. At number 8, we got headlight tints. They can completely change your car look. The colors I would recommend would be smoked yellow or clear protection. These are exceptionally cheap and easy to install. They cost under 10-20 bucks and you are getting bang for buck. Why? Because you're saving hundreds of dollars of headlight replacements. You can get them in any color, but make sure to don't overdo it. What I mean by that is don't go below 20%. You will lose visibility and the light will not pass through the tint. It will block the entire vision and it's quite dangerous to drive your car at night. So make sure you should get 75 to 70% for your front headlights, and you can go below like 50 to 25% for your taillights. At number 9, a car care kit. So a simple car care kit should include some microfiber towels, car shampoo and car wax. They can easily make an older looking car brand new, so make sure to buy some quality one. I will link one of my favorites down in the description, so make sure to check them out. So we are at the end. As I promised, I'm gonna show you 3 bonus mods which are quick mentions that are worth doing, but if you don't do it, it's okay. One of them is exceptionally important. So at number 1, we got front lip spoiler. These are one of the best aesthetic mods that you can do. They cost around $50 to $60. They make your car lower than it actually is and enhance enhances the aesthetic of your car which you're looking for. Next up is wind deflectors. They are exceptionally cheap and they provide protection against unwanted wind. Also, they provide protection against the rain that is falling on your thighs. Most of you guys don't have them, but why? Let me know in the comments. So at the end we got exhaust tip upgrade. You can get some titanium ones and they are pretty inexpensive too. But a common misconception is if you put it behind a stock exhaust system, your car will change sound. But this myth is entirely fake. If you have a straight pipe going from your engine to the back and you put an exhaust tip, the car will change sound. It depends on design and structure of the exhaust tip. If you have an entire stock system, the car will not change sound. Even though if the car changes sound, it would be a little to no difference. I'm just suggesting you this mod for the sake of aesthetic of the car. So make sure to keep that in mind. If you need any of these products, I will link them down in the description. So make sure to check them out. And that's it. 9 cheap mods that make your car look way more expensive than it actually is. Feel free to drop a comment and let me know which one would you do first. And I'll see you in the next Saturday video. Peace out.